While most tourists are flocking to Kuala Lumpur, Penang, or Langkawi, those in the know are quietly making their way to this laid-back, sun-soaked town in Pahang. We'll walk you through everything you need to know about Kuantan. Welcome to Kuantan, Malaysia, Pahang's coastal capital and the East Coast's cultural gem. What makes Kuantan's people and heritage so unique? How do its diverse communities shape its soul? In this 30-minute journey, we'll dive into Kuantan's cultural tapestry, from batik crafts to Hari Raya celebrations, explore its history, and meet the people who make this city shine. Get ready to uncover Kuantan's heart. Let's dive in. Kuantan, the capital of Pahang, Malaysia's largest state, sits on the east coast facing the South China Sea. Home to 600,000 people, it's a vibrant blend of natural beauty, cultural heritage, and modern charm. Founded as a tin mining hub in the 19th century, Kuantan grew into a cultural melting pot of Malay, Chinese, and Indian influences. Why visit? First, it's accessible. Just a 3-hour drive or 1-hour flight from Kuala Lumpur, $30 to $50. Kuantan's compact size makes it easy to explore. Second, it's diverse. From beaches like Teluk Cempedak to ancient rainforests like Taman Nagara, Kuantan offers adventure and relaxation. Third, it's authentic. Unlike tourist-heavy KL, Kuantan feels like a local's Malaysia, with friendly vibes and affordable prices. The weather is typically tropical, hot, humid, and sunny most of the year, with occasional rain showers. The best time to visit? Between March and October, when the monsoon season is off and you get to enjoy clear skies and calm seas. Fun fact, Kuantan's Lao Zi Temple holds Malaysia's longest dragon statue, stretching 823 meters. Ex-posts praise Kuantan's laid-back vibe and seafood, though some note humid weather, 80 to 90 degrees Fahrenheit or 27 to 32 degrees Celsius. Whether you're a beach lover, history buff, or foodie, Kuantan's got it all. Malays dominate Kuantan's traditions, seen in kampung life along the Kuantan River. Visit Kampung Tanjung for wooden stilt houses and silat performances, a martial art blending dance and self-defense. Chinese culture. The Chinese community, mostly of Cantonese descent, thrives in areas like Jalan Basara, where shops sell mooncakes $2 to $5 during Mid-Autumn Festival. Indian culture. Indian Malaysians, mostly Tamil, celebrate Deepavali with kolam designs at Sri Mariamman Temple, free entry, dress modestly. Fun fact, Kuantan's multicultural harmony is celebrated at Taman Esplanade's cultural events where all groups perform together. Ex-posts praise Kuantan's welcoming vibe, though some note language barriers outside tourist areas. This diversity is Kuantan's heartbeat. What makes Kuantan unique? Kuantan isn't trying to be glamorous. That's what makes it so endearing. It's authentic, it's raw, it's real. Here are a few things that make Kuantan truly unique. Beaches without the crowds. Teluk Cempedak and Pantai Balok offer pristine beauty with fewer tourists. Cultural harmony. Kuantan reflects Malaysia's multi-ethnic roots. Malay, Chinese, and Indian cultures are intertwined in everyday life. Local charm. From the Pasar Market, night markets, to humble hawker stalls, Kuantan's vibe is undeniably local. Eco-tourism heaven. From waterfalls and caves to turtle sanctuaries and river cruises, Kuantan is an ideal gateway to nature. Affordable travel. Prices in Kuantan are significantly lower than tourist-heavy destinations, making it ideal for budget travelers. Kuantan's history is rooted in its 19th century rise as a tin mining hub. By the 1850s, Chinese immigrants flocked to Sungai Lembing, 42 kilometers northwest, creating one of the world's largest underground tin mines. Visit the Sungai Lembing Museum, $2 entry, to see mining tools and 3D exhibits. Kuantan's port along the Kuantan River thrived trading tin with British and Indian merchants, shaping its multicultural identity.
The Pahang Sultanate, established in the 15th century, influenced Kuantan's Malay culture, with royal traditions like silat still practiced today. Masjid Sultan Ahmad Shah, built in the 1980s, honors this legacy with its blue dome and Moorish design. Free entry, dress modestly. Fun fact: Kuantan's multicultural harmony is celebrated at Taman Esplanade's cultural events, where all groups perform together. Ex-posts note Sungai Lembing's eerie mine tunnels, but some warn of limited English signage.
Kuantan's people are its soul, known for their warmth and hospitality. Malays form the majority, often working as fishermen or farmers along the Kuantan River. Meet folks like Pak Din at Tanjung Lumpur, selling fresh fish $3 to $5 per kilogram with a smile. Chinese Malaysians, many descendants of 19th century tin miners, run businesses in Jalan Mahota, like Hoi Yin Restaurant, famous for curry mee, $3. Their Cantonese heritage shines in lion dances and temple festivals. Indian Malaysians contribute vibrant traditions like henna art, $5 to $10 at Deepavali fairs. The Orang Asli, indigenous groups like the Jakun, live near Taman Negara, crafting blowpipes, $10 to $20. Kuantanites are multilingual, speaking Malay, Cantonese, Tamil, and some English, 30 to 40% fluency in tourist areas. Their motto, Sumai Sumai, relaxed vibe, defines the laid-back lifestyle. Ex-posts highlight locals' friendliness, though some suggest learning basic Malay phrases like terima kasih, thank you, for better connections. Kuantan's people make every visit feel like home. Kuantan's festivals are a cultural explosion. Here are 3 highlights. Hari Raya Aidilfitri, April to May, 2-minute. Marking the end of Ramadan, Malays host open houses with ketupat and rendang, $2 to $5 at stalls. Visit Taman Esplanade for free cultural shows. Chinese New Year, January-February, 2-minute. Chinese communities light up Jalan Besar with lanterns and lion dances. Try Ang Ko giveaways and Yi Sung, $5 to $10 at East Coast Mall. Kuantan Food Festival, July, 1-minute. A foodie's dream with ikan bakar and karapak liqueur, $1 to $5. Held at Taman Gelora, it's free to enter. Cultural traditions. Learn Pahang-style batik at Natural Batik Village, $10 to $15, or watch silat at Kampung Tanjung, free. Buy songket textiles, $20 to $50 at UTC Night Market. Ex-posts rave about festival crowds, but suggest booking hotels early for Hari Raya. Insider tips for exploring Kuantan's culture. Here's how to dive into Kuantan's culture. Navigation. Use rapid Kuantan buses, $1 to $3, or grab taxis, $3 to $6. Google Maps is reliable for English directions. Cultural etiquette. Dress modestly at mosques, robes provided. Remove shoes at temples, and say Slamat Pagi, good morning, to charm locals. Budget tips. Eat at UTC Night Market, $1 to $5. Visit free sites like Taman Esplanade and join batik workshops, $10 to $15. Best time to visit. April to May for Hari Raya, January to February for Chinese New Year, July for Food Festival, 80 to 90 degrees Fahrenheit or 27 to 32 degrees Celsius. Avoid March to May for rain. Cultural experiences. Join Tourism Pahang's guided tours, $10 to $20 for kampung visits, or attend free silat demos at Taman Esplanade. Safety. Kuantan's safe with low crime. Watch bags at night markets and use Grab for late-night travel. Pro tip. Visit Lao Zi Temple early for quiet meditation and follow @Tourism Pahang on X for festival updates. Culture, traditions, and local life. Kuantan is a true representation of Malaysia's rich cultural blend. Here's what makes the local culture fascinating. Language. Malay is the main language, but English is widely understood. Dress code. Modest attire is appreciated, especially near religious places. Traditional arts. Batik printing and wood carving can still be found in small artisan shops. Islamic influence. The city is predominantly Muslim, so you'll hear the call to prayer echoing peacefully through the streets. Community. Life is slow-paced and community-oriented. Locals are friendly and hospitality is genuine. Top 7 must-visit places in Kuantan. Kuantan's attractions are a feast for the senses. Here are the top 7 places to visit. Teluk Chempedak Beach.
Just 5 kilometers from downtown, this white sand beach is Kuantan's crown jewel. Swim, surf, or stroll the boardwalk lined with food stalls, $2 to $5. Sunset views are breathtaking. Sungai Pantan Waterfall, Punching Waterfall. 25 kilometers from the city, this elegant waterfall cascades into clear pools perfect for swimming. Free entry with picnic spots. Bring water shoes for rocky paths. Masjid Sultan Ahmad Shah. Kuantan State Mosque near Jalan Mahota boasts a blue dome and Islamic Malay architecture. Free entry outside prayer times. Dress modestly. Gua Cheras Cave. 25 kilometers northwest, this limestone cave houses a Buddhist Hindu temple with stalactites. Entry is RM2, $0.5, and climbing upper chambers is an adventure. Lao Zi Temple. Along Kuantan Sungai Lembing rim, this Taoist temple features an 823-meter golden dragon statue. Free entry with serene gardens for meditation. Taman Gelora. A seaside park in Kampung Tanjung with jogging paths and a lily pond. Free entry, ideal for families and evening strolls. Bukit Panorama. 10 kilometers from downtown, this hill offers sunrise views over Kuantan. Free to hike, best at 5:30 a.m. Perfect for photographers. Why these? They blend nature, culture, and spirituality, all reachable by taxi or rapid Kuantan bus, $1 to $3. Use Grab for convenience, $3 to $6.
Best things to do in Kuantan. Kuantan offers adventures for every traveler. Here are 7 top things to do. Kuantan River Cruise, a 1.5-hour boat ride, $10, along the Kuantan River, showcases mangroves, wildlife like kingfishers, and village life. Book via trip.com for deals. Surfing at Cherating Beach. 30 kilometers north, Cherating is Malaysia's surfing hub. Rent boards, $5 per hour, or join Club Med lessons, $20. Monsoon season, November-Feb, has the best waves. Jungle trekking in Taman Negara. Explore one of the world's oldest rainforests, 130 million years old, with canopy walks and bird watching, $10 to $20 tours. Spot rare insects. Batik painting at Natural Batik Village. Create your own Pahang-style batik, $10 to $15. A fun, family-friendly activity near Teluk Cempedak. Snorkeling near Teluk Cempedak. Dive into crystal waters to see sea turtles. Tours with Batu Bata dive team start at $20. Kid-friendly for ages 5+. Visit Sungai Lembing's tin mines. 42 kilometers northwest, explore the world's largest underground tin mine, $5 tours. The 3D Gallery SK Lembing adds interactive fun, $3. Shopping at East Coast Mall. Kuantan's premier mall offers local crafts, international brands, and a food court, $3 to $10 meals. Catch a movie for $5. Pro tip: book activities via Klook or Trip.com for discounts. Carry cash for smaller vendors. Must-try foods in Kuantan. Here are must-try dishes. Ikan bakar, grilled fish. Fresh fish wrapped in banana leaves at Ana Ikan Bakar Pattaya, $7 to $10. Choose your fish and savor the smoky flavors. Karapak lekor, fish paste snacks, boiled or fried, at Tanjung Lumpur's Karapak lekor factory, $2 to $5. Dip in chili sauce for a local treat. Curry mee, spicy noodle soup with fish balls at restaurant Hoi Yen, $3 to $5. Add lime for zest. Mee kalong, Kuantan's native noodle soup with handmade fish balls. Try it at local food courts, $3 to $5. Air batu kacang, ice kacang, shaved ice dessert with red beans and syrup at UTC Night Market, $1 to $3. Perfect for hot days. Satay Zul, a local institution for grilled meat on skewers. Apam balik, a sweet peanut pancake sold in night markets. Kuantan-style laksa. Don't miss the laksa at Taman Gelora stalls. Local Copa teams. Order kaya toast, half-boiled eggs, and local coffee. Nasi dagang, a popular East Coast rice dish served with tuna curry. Pro tip: visit UTC Night Market, Saturdays 5:30 to 9:30 p.m. for cheap eats like samosas, 0.50. Most stalls are halal. Carry cash. Where to stay in Kuantan? From budget hostels to beachfront resorts, Kuantan has it all. Hyatt Regency Kuantan Resort, luxury beachfront stay with top amenities. Swiss Garden Beach Resort, family-friendly with sea views. The Zenith Hotel, a modern stay in the heart of the city. Budget homestays, affordable and authentic local experiences. Travel tips and local etiquette. Transport, rent a car or use Grab for convenience. Public buses are limited. Cash or card. Bring cash. Not all places accept cards. Shoes on. When entering homes or certain businesses, remove your shoes. Respect local customs, especially during Ramadan or religious holidays. Safety. Kuantan is generally very safe, even at night. Insider tips for visiting Kuantan. Here's how to make your Kuantan trip unforgettable. Navigation. Use rapid Kuantan buses, $1 to $3, or grab taxis, $3 to $6. Google Maps works well for English directions. Safety. Kuantan safe, with low crime. Watch bags at night markets and avoid swimming at Batu Hitan Beach due to strong currents. Budget tips. Eat at UTC Night Market, $1 to $5. Use combo tickets from museums, $5 to $10, and visit free spots like Taman Gelora. Best time to visit. June to September for dry weather, 80 to 90 degrees Fahrenheit or 27 to 32 degrees. November to Feb for surfing at Cherating. Avoid March to May for heavy rain. Cultural etiquette. Dress modestly at mosques. Robes provided. Remove shoes in temples and say terima kasih, thank you, to charm locals. Tech tip. Rent a Wi-Fi egg $5 per day for unlimited data. Use Trip.com for hotel and tour deals. Local tip. Book Sungai Pandan waterfall tours early, $10 to $15, and follow @Tourism Pahang on X for event updates. Pro tip. Visit Teluk Cempedak in the evening for cooler weather and vibrant food stalls. Why Kuantan should be on your travel list. Kuantan is not a place you pass through. It's a place you remember. It offers a peaceful, crowd-free getaway, rich cultural experiences, affordable, delicious food, nature at its best, welcoming, warm-hearted locals. So, whether you're looking to relax on the beach, hike through a jungle, enjoy mouth-watering local dishes, or simply get away from the tourist traps, Kuantan is waiting. It may not be loud and flashy, but it leaves a lasting impression on everyone who gives it a chance. Don't sleep on Kuantan. Explore it, feel it, taste it, and you'll see why this underrated gem on Malaysia's east coast might just be your favorite destination yet. Don't forget to like, share, and subscribe for more hidden gems in Southeast Asia. And if you've been to Kuantan, tell us your favorite memory in the comments below.